selling concert tickets, she earns a commission of $2 or $2 for each of the first 100 tickets she sells and $3.50 for each additional ticket she sells. Okay. So Maya pledges to donate around 15% of her total commission to a local charity. So we have to find what is the least number of tickets beyond the first 100 that Maya must sell so that her donation is at least $120. Okay. So let's solve it step by step. So it is given that Maya earns $2 for each of the first 100 tickets she sells. Right. So her commission from the first 100 ticket is, we can calculate it as 100 into 2. Right. That will be $200. Right. Clear. Now let X represent the number of tickets she sells beyond first 100. Okay. What is X? X is ticket she sells additional, right? Tickets she sells beyond first 100. Okay, tickets more than 100. Okay, let's take it like this. And we have mentioned that for every additional ticket she earns a dollar 3.5, right? So her total commission is this 200 plus the additional tickets, right? So that will be, we can form the equation like 200 plus 3.50x. All right. And she mentioned that she donates 15% of her total commission to charity, right? So she wants her donation to be at least 120. So we can write the equation, we can write the inequality now. So 15% will be 0.15 into 200 plus 3.50x is equal to, or is equal to or greater than or equal to what? $120. Right. So now let's divide both sides by 0.15. You can cancel this and the rest will be 200 plus 3.50x greater than or equal to 120 by 0.15 will be 800. Okay. This is our new equation. So you can subtract 200 from both sides, right? Or you can take this here. So you will get a new equation that is 3.50x greater than or equal to, minusing 200 from 800, you will get 600. Okay. So you can divide 600 with the 3.5. Then you will get x is greater than or equal to, let's do the math. And this is equal to 171.43. Okay, you will get this number. So here we will be taking the whole number, okay, since the fraction ticket won't be possible. Since Maya cannot sell a fraction of a ticket, we round up to the next whole number. Okay, so let's round it up to 172. So we'll take x is equal to 172. Clear? So Maya must sell at least 172 tickets beyond the first 100, right? Which means the total number of tickets will be 100 plus 172, which is 272, right? So the question is, what is the least number of tickets beyond the first 100, right? So that will be 172. Okay, so the correct answer would be option number C. Okay, so I hope it is clear for you. Thanks for watching.